Welcome back, Brandy Boo crew. This is Brandy with, actually I'm doing another wig review, kind of a review. I got another wig from Luvme Hair, and then I actually went ahead and got a wig off of Amazon to kind of see what it's all like. Oh, no, I need some lip gloss. This is Trust Fund, baby. Oh, Lord Jesus. That's like pink. I don't know. It'll do. I guess it'll do for now, I suppose. I ain't got nothing else really. That's all my good stuff is downstairs. These are all my most likely expired stuff from like a year or so ago. But what doesn't kill you make you stronger, right? Okay. So enough of all that. But yeah. So just give me a moment. I'm going to get everything together for you all, and we'll go from there. All right. Okay. All right. So I'm back. I have my wig cap on, and I went on Amazon and got the literally the cheapest wig grip I could get, because your girl ain't got money like that. So just the cheapest one, just to see if it, pretty much does the trick. I just needed to make sure that my wigs don't go back like that and everybody know my business. And I don't want nobody to know my business. I want them to be like, oh, look at your hair, you did your hair. You know what I'm saying? I don't want everybody to be all like, I see your hair right there. Your hair is showing, the real hair. You're not, yeah. I don't want that to happen. So, let's see, what are we gonna start off with? We're gonna start off with this little number here. She is a red wine 5x5 closure bob wig, natural human hair. Where's my brush at? Where is my... I swear, I am so unorganized. So this is why I'm not doing this all the time, because my brain broke half the time and I can't do nothing. Right? Oh, Lord Jesus. I'll be right back. Okay, so I know... Oh, my bad. I got too close to you guys. Sorry. So it's really hard for me to like record, because your girl's busy. Like, I've been busy. So, and I like, okay, so my youngest is with my mom. My other youngest is out of sleepover. That's my cat, if you hear it in the background. I got both cats in here because I always gotta have something attached to my hip. Either it's a cat or a child. It's just how my life be. So, and I got stuff in the upstairs bathroom, but my oldest is getting ready for work. So, hi, that's my life. Anywho, Magic, what you want, girl? What you want, girl? Let me do what I do, Magic. Jeez Louise. Okay. So, all right. So this is her. I haven't named her yet. I named my other two. They over there. You see them? I named them. This Trisha is the short, or the first one I did with the middle part, and then Samantha. I named her Samantha. The other one, the second one that I did a review on, and I wear them. So I wear Trixie and Samantha. I gotta think of a name for her. If y'all want to help me out, just let me know. The names are nice. Found my wig brush. Okay, so this is a bob. It can go either way. I could do it came like this with like a side part here, and the way that the lace is, I already put some concealer on it, so I cheat. Okay, so listen, I'm gonna tell you a secret. I have no patience. So when I don't get to order stuff that much because I went a little crazy with these wigs. I think I'm addicted now. So I need to slow down. But when I get my wigs, I literally have to take them out the box the moment I get them. So I don't think, I don't think I'll be that YouTuber that I'll show you the box after I opened it. But I'm not even gonna lie to you. I've already opened it and applied it because I never have time to do this. And I ain't about to wait until I can record to check my wig out. Please. I'm not about that life. I'm too impatient. Way too impatient. So there's that. But anywho, so with this wig, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. Oh, this is from Luvme Hair. Can I get it together? Please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But this is from Luvme Hair. I've been kind of sticking with them because, now, let me tell you, I've gotten scammed, and I gotta do that scam video. Y'all, when I say stuff, don't believe me. I be lying sometimes. I do. I mean, I don't mean to, but do you realize? I'll just let that go. But I really don't mean to lie. It just happens. I don't mean to do any of this fibbing, but I have good intentions every time I do. I have great, wonderful intentions to do all the stuff I say I'm going to do. But see, what had happened was life. That's all I gotta tell you. Life happened. And if you live life, you know that it happens. Period. That's just how it is. Okay. So, and then it has an adjustable strap, which is lovely. And it has these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it up. I'm back. Story of my life. I had a child, the grown child, the big one, that needed me for stuff, because that's just what they do. They need you. Anyhow, all right. So, I'm gonna go ahead and pop up the little info on what I bought. Okay, all right. So y'all can see what I bought and where I bought it and how much it was, all that good stuff, because I don't remember. Plus, I used Luvme Hair has like these discount codes, so I don't ever pay full price because I can't. So I get a discount. So I think I paid for 2 wigs that I bought. I paid like $200 something because, which is still a lot. So don't tell nobody. This is our secret. Me and you need to know this secret. But then I used Afterpay. That's where they get me, because I'm like, I'm not giving them all of it right now. You know what I'm saying? So, oh shit, I keep forgetting I got this mic on. Dang. Anyways, I'm like, okay, so I just gotta pay 4 installments of like $50. Bet I got this. Don't get hooked on it like me, because I'll be buying up everything and acting like I ain't really spending money when I really am spending money. You know what I'm saying? Okay. All right. Let's move along. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this on and see how she looks. And I got my hot comb right here, so we can adjust her as needed. And then, yeah. Okay. All right. Let me just do it. Or let me stop and do it. I'm just going to do it. No, I'm going to stop and do it. I'll be back. All right. Now I put her on. Name is still being decided. So I put her on here. She feels thinner than the other ones, but I don't know if it's just, I don't know that much about wigs, but it's soft, it's nice. Like I said, I already cut the lace because it came with lace. I already cut it and I already put concealer down. So I cheat, y'all. I don't, but I got this one from Amazon, and I'm gonna open it in front of you guys so you'll actually see it. But anyways, let's see here. All right, now this is a hot comb. I didn't show y'all it before, but this is a hot comb. And okay, so listen, I bought me a styrofoam mannequin head because I want to style my wigs without it being on my head, because I think it would be easier for me to put it on a styrofoam mannequin head and style them there and then just plop them on, because it just would be easier, seriously. So, but anyways, this one I'm putting on the wax to keep them down, keep the flyaways, get this wax on there. There we go. Alright. Okay. Man, I like her. I like her. She is work friendly. I could put it on and pretty much go. I don't have to worry about anything like that. I mean, I don't know if she's snug enough. It feels kind of like loose in the back, but like not loose, but like my head ain't filling it out all the way. If any of you guys know how to fix that, just let me know. Like I adjusted the strap and everything, and I don't know. See, this is one thing. I've been watching this YouTuber. Her name's Mary Kay, and she knows what she's doing. So I've been trying to watch her and get on her level with these wigs, because I'm definitely not on nobody's. I ain't even on no level, for real. I am not good at these at all. What is that? Is that hair? See, look, ooh, you done saw my secrets. See, my widow's peak is telling on me. Okay. Alright, so what do y'all think? Anywho, I don't know. But yes, this is the wig. And I don't know. I like it. I do like it. I have the curly wig too, that I ordered. That was my third wig I ordered, and I'm still trying to work on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a video on it and just show you what all I seriously need to do with it. Because that one I need to work on, because it's like fluffy up here, and I don't know. And then I got a headband wig, which I don't know how to even do a headband wig. But where my hair is, my real hair is, it's thin and like no tomorrow. So I need to make sure that I got these backup wigs so I don't feel like a bald-headed scallywag and got no hair in the back. So there's that. We're gonna get it together though. We're gonna get it together. We got this. Alright. Well, that is all for this video right now, you guys. Thank you so much for visiting me and seeing me and all that good stuff. So y'all take care of yourself. Have a good night, evening, morning, afternoon, day. Hell, just have a great one. All right, bye.